Hello and welcome to this Fireside chat with Techvantage Analytics. I'm Monica. I work with the strategy and marketing team here at Techvantage Analytics. So today I have with me here my colleague Anish, who is the technical lead at Techvantage. Hello Anish.
Hi Monica.
How are you?
Good. About yourself?
Right. I'm doing good too. Thank you for asking. So heard something's cooking up in your team. I see a lot of your teammates running around here, fussing, taking picture of cars and then maybe collecting data from the employees. What is all this fuss about?
So we've been working this really cool product called E-NOL AI.
Right.
It's something that is in the insurance space. So we're trying to enable better experience for users when they claim insurance policies.
Okay. So when you say E-NOL, does it stand for something?
Yes, it stands for Early Notification of Loss. It's an insurance lingo that people use, and it's essentially the first time when you want to let the insurance company know that you're claiming a policy. That's the E-NOL process.
Right, okay. So could you tell me, I can understand a bit better, if you could explain to me the problem statement a bit more?
Sure. So let me put you in a situation. So I'm driving along and I meet with an accident. Someone has hit me from the back. So now I have to get out, I have to make sure they're okay. And then I have to somehow get in touch with my insurance agent. Typically, they might ask you to take pictures and send it to them and they'll figure out what to do. What ends up happening is you don't get the right images. You don't get the true value of the accident. So what we're doing is we're bringing that to an SDK that people can incorporate so that the companies can get the best experience for turnaround time and users can get the right user experience to get the right information to the companies.
I see what you're trying to do here, but the thing is that if I'm not wrong, there are already products that exist of the kind of product that you're trying to make. It already exists in this space, in this industry. So how is E-NOL different from these all?
So what we do really well is we've trained two different AI models. One is for the chatbot and one is for the camera. So for the chatbot, we've created a conversational, helpful chatbot that allows people to, or guides people through the process that they have to go through, whether that's getting emergency services, that's capturing the location, various other checkpoints that we make sure that complies with the claims management. The other thing that we have is our AI-powered camera. So that goes around the car, and it can identify which part of the car it is, or the position you're standing at, and capture a compliant image to send to the claims processor.
So there have been a lot of use cases that I've seen wherein due to the images the claim hasn't been processed or it takes up a lot of time and effort. So are you saying that E-NOL can basically improve the quality, or?
Right. So as you mentioned, we've had people running around taking pictures of cars, looking like creepy people capturing images.
Right.
But what we've been doing is we've been using all of this data to train our AI model, where when we take a camera and face it to a car, we know which part of the car it is based on some ML algorithms that we've learned to train on specific components on the car. So what ends up happening is based on some of those components, we can, with high accuracy, say, this is a valid picture.
Right.
On top of that, we also allow the user to, through a chatbot flow, go through the process of actually filing this claim.
Okay, seems very interesting what you're trying to do here. Basically, you are trying to significantly reduce the amount of time basically claim handlers or the insurance companies take to process any claims and refunds, right? So would you be possibly able to show a demo so that I can understand that?
Of course, we'll step outside and I'll show you how it works.
Let's take the previous problem statement and expand it for a demo. But because I've got the E-NOL app, I can quickly file an insurance claim and get any emergency services that I need. It guides me through and auto-captures compliant images for the insurance company so that I can get my claim back much quicker.